Guys, welcome to Random Fandom. Today I'll be showing you how to embed videos on your own website using TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy is a free browser extension for YouTube. You can find the link in the description below. It basically allows you to do many things like optimize your channel SEO, make thumbnails, all that. For a complete feature list, you click the link in the description below and go to the site. You should be able to find the complete feature list here. And so if you go over to your channel, go over to your content, now you should be able to find a video that you want to embed on your channel. So let's just say I want to embed my channel trailer on my website. All I have to do is go over to here, then click on this button here, Advanced Embed. And here you have several different options. So what I'll go ahead and do is I'll probably embed a 360p video on my site. Like auto hide the play bar, label full screen, this branding. Enable advanced privacy mode. Sure, we'll do that. And then after you have all these options that you have selected, you just copy that, just like that. Go over to your website, and then in the case of my site, I am using Wonder CMS, which has a plugin with the Summer Note editor. All you do is just delete that code there, paste that in there, and then there is the video embedded on this page. Now if I just log out and go to that page, you can see that my channel trailer has been embedded on my site right there. So that is useful for getting views on your channel, on your website. So you can now have your website, you can have your script there or whatever, you can post anything, but still have people watching your videos. So that is how you embed a video on your site using TubeBuddy. It has plenty of customizable controls, and just copy the code, you don't have to write anything. It works pretty good. Anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. And check out TubeBuddy. It is very much well worth getting. And that feature, I'm pretty sure is a free feature. We'll just go ahead and double check that. And it is a free feature, so you don't have to pay the $9 or $19 or $49 to get it. But even if you do get this extension, you can still get a free paid tier upgrade by like doing a survey or giving them your card information for a 30-day trial, for example. There's really no reason why you can't install this. Even if you can't afford to buy it, you can still earn a lifetime license of Legend if you get 50 of your friends to install it within a year, or 200 over at lifetime. So that would be the Legend tier, which is the highest tier there, as you can see. So really, there's no reason for you not to install TubeBuddy. It's a wonderful program, makes a lot of stuff easy, and saves you a lot of time. You go over to the user statistics, you can see that maybe if your time is worth $20 an hour, you save over 133 hours of time, although you spent just a few minutes using their tools. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, peace.